Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे functions of the kidney. As you know that your kidney is wired 24 hours a day to keep you alive. So in this video we will understand the functions of the kidney because kidney perform many important functions that maintain a stable internal environment which is necessary for the cell to perform several activities. So which include the following functions. Number one is the excretion of metabolic waste product and foreign chemicals. Excretion is the primary function of the kidney which excrete or remove metabolic waste and foreign chemical which consist of urea, uric acid, creatinine and ammonia etc. And foreign chemicals include drugs and toxin that can be removed from the blood into the urine. So the next is regulation of water and electrolyte balance. Electrolyte consists of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. All these are the electrolytes. Kidney regulate these water and electrolyte by adjusting the correct reabsorption and excretion out of the body. And the next one is a regulation of body fluid osmolality and electrolyte concentration. What does it mean by osmolality? It is referred to the concentration of dissolved particle into the body fluid, and kidney regulate the osmolality and electrolyte concentration by adjusting ions and water excretion under the hormonal control or by specialized nephron mechanism. So the next one is a regulation of atrial pressure. A kidney regulate the atrial pressure by regulating the blood volume and by releasing a renin, and this is a hormone which stimulate the production of RAS system. This system increase the atrial pressure when it falls. The next one is a regulation of acid base balance, in which kidney regulate the acid base balance by excreting more H plus ion into the urine and conserve bicarbonate ion in order to maintain the pH. So the next one is a regulation of erythrocyte production. So the kidney play a very important role in the erythrocyte production. When the oxygen level in the blood is decreases, kidney secrete a hormone which is erythropoietin, which stimulate the production of erythrocyte or RBC. So the kidney play a very important role for the secretion, metabolism and excretion of hormone that after they have done their function. So the next one is a gluconeogenesis. इसमें हमारे पास होगा क्या कि ड्यूरिंग फास्टिंग, जब फास्टिंग के दौरान किडनी प्रोड्यूस अ ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम नॉन कार्बोहाइड्रेट सोर्स. It produce from different amino acids such as glutamine or produce a glucose in order to provide energy to the body. So the next and last one is a regulation of 1,2,5 dihydroxy vitamin D3 production. Kidney has a ability to convert the inactive form of vitamin D into an active form, which is 1,2,5 dihydroxy vitamin D3, which is also known as calcitriol. अच्छा, ये क्या काम करती है? It is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. So आज हमने आपसे functions of kidney डिस्कस किया, जिसमें हमने देखा कि kidney play a role of excretion of metabolic waste, regulation of electrolyte and water, atrial pressure regulation, acid base regulation, erythrocyte production, even the glucose production, glucose formation. So these are the functions that are performed by the kidney. Hopefully you can understand each and every function properly. So if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and मिलते हैं next video में. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.